Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar and to NEFFEX. NEFFEX is back, great. This song is called Go, a great song. Like most of the times, one chord progression that goes round and round, and we love that. We have some cool melodies and a cool beat, so we'll go over all this cool stuff. So let's start right away. Capo on 3rd fret, and we have following chords. First, the A minor. That is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, next chord will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. 3rd chord will be F major 7. So that is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord, D minor. So open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Okay, so we will look at the one melody that goes in the song, the entire song. It goes like this, just strictly without any bass or so. Alright, so that will be one round of that for each and every chord. So how do we play it? You will start on the open E 2 times, then 1st fret B, then 2nd fret G, then open B, 3rd B, 1st E, and open E. So that's it. So just a quick repetition. Open E, 1st B, 2nd G, open B, 3rd B, 1st E, and open E. So if we play that with a bass from the chord, so for A minor, you play it with A, open A, then C, 3rd fret A, then F major, 3rd fret D, and D minor, open D. So you play the bass from each and every chord together with the first note of this melody. So like that, alright? So that is one way of handling the melody together with the chords. We will also look now at the strumming pattern, and finally after the strumming pattern we'll see how to build in the melody in a cool way with the strumming. So if we just go strictly with the strumming and just forget about the melody for a while, you will have like the first chord A minor. It will sound like this. That is one round. So that is down, down, clap, down. Alright? So pretty easy. So down, down, clap, down. Now you will play this strumming round for 2 times for each chord. So 2 A minors, 2 C, 2 F majors, and 2 D minors. And that will sound like this. Down, down, clap, down, C, C, F, and D minor. Okay, so there we have another way of handling the chords with the strumming. Now we can connect these 2 parts with the melody and the strumming. And for this one, it's hard to get all notes, of course. And if you have with the beats, with the claps here, it's impossible because you have to either play the notes or the clap, and you will clap on top of a note. So yeah, you have to go kind of a middle row there and do the best out of it. Try to hit as many notes as well, so that will bring up the melody. So I will give you where to do the claps. So where you play the strumming now, it will be down, down, clap, down. So that means when you play the melody, it will be a clap on the first fret B string. So these first two notes, you play down, down, all right? Then comes the clap, and that is where the next note lies. So first fret B string. So there you have to go either with a clap or hit the first fret B string. It's your choice. So you can do it like this. And the next note you play down, and that is on the second fret G string. All right? So okay. And then comes the next round of the strumming, and that is on the notes open B and third fret B. And then comes the clap, and that is on the spot when you play the first fret E string. So this note, you can go either this note or do the clap. And the final down, you will play on the open E string. This one. So it will be slowly something like this. All right. So with some tempo. Like that, or you can do the claps on both ways, like that. So it's up to you. You can play back and forth with it. You can do two claps for this melody, or you can do just the clap on the first one or just on the second one. It's up to you. It's cool to have this beat going on. I believe that's the best scenario here, to play the beat and bring in the notes as much as you can, and that will be a great song cover of NEFFEX Go. So cool song, and we will thank you, NEFFEX, for bringing up this cool stuff, cool songs. Yeah, we love you. So if you're a fan of NEFFEX, please come back here on Gordon Guitar, and you will have probably a lot of songs coming out there. So see you soon, guys. Hope this was great. If it was, thumb up, leave a comment, and play tuned.